Hi, today we're going to cover setting up your HUDHomestore.com account so that you can bid on properties for your clients. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.HUDHomestore.com, and that's going to take you to the landing and home page here. You can see here you have the opportunity to go in and search for properties here. Go in by clicking on Ohio, or filling in the state here and some other information, the address if you know it, things of that nature. But today we're going to cover registering as a bidder. So you're going to see here you can register as public or bidder. You want to go to the bidder function here. And registering on this website is pretty much the same as registering on any website. The only main difference is that you're going to need your company's NAID number, and that's the identifying number that HUD gives brokerages so that their agents can submit bids on the platform. So you're going to want to go in here and select the NAID type. My username and password got auto added in here, so let's take that. It's messing everything up. So you'll select the NAID type. And then you're going to, you're not a government agency, you're not a nonprofit, you're a selling listing broker. So you're going to click that, and you're going to select, unless you're an associate broker or a principal broker with the NEID, you're going to select selling agent. At this point, you're going to put in your broker's NEID number. If you don't have this, your broker should have it, or your office admin. You'll put in your real estate license number, your license date, the state you're licensed in, and your license expiration. And then you'll have to add your office information. After this, it's basically just like registering on any other website. You'll need to put in your username, password, confirm the password, get a couple of security questions here in the drop-down, like what's the first car you ever owned, what's your favorite food, what's your pet's name, security questions you can get so you can retrieve login information if you lose your password and reset it. Then your contact information here, first name, last name, email address, confirm email, phone, and fax. Check this box to receive information about updates to HUDHomestore.com and changes to HUD procedures. And then by checking this box, you agree to the terms and conditions. So you read through the terms and conditions there, and then hit I'm not a robot and submit. And then 5 minutes, you ought to be all set up.